Extremely excited to get my hands on this brand new Lumary smart bathroom fan. This thing's 110 CFMs, it goes over 1,000 lumens. It's extremely bright. Like, I have this thing way turned down. And it connects to your phone and it connects to Alexa. It also comes with a remote so you can control this all. It's a 12-inch box, right? So this is the part that goes up in the ceiling. It's a 4-inch exhaust here, so this goes into your exhaust. And it has endless features. So let's just quickly go through some of them. The Lumary app works really well. It connected, you just on and off this thing 3 or 4 times and it goes into pairing mode. But inside the app, so if we look right here, you can basically control this middle ring here. And this is like your color ring, okay? Then you have another light on the top. It's kind of like a recessed light, you know, and you can control that as well. You control them independently. You can also run kind of like modes, right? So this is fun, right? Maybe the kids, when they're taking a shower, they want to have a little party, they can put this on, all right? And I haven't even gotten to the best part of this yet. You can also play any of the other routines, which are really neat. You can have this respond to music. So as you play music, it will respond to it, which is really neat. Not my favorite feature yet. And also it has a fan, of course, because it's a bathroom fan. So along with the lights, the multiple lights, all the dancing and stuff like that, my favorite part of this that I didn't even realize that I would really like is that this, I'm gonna turn off some lights here, sorry, will also work with Alexa, okay? So you can say, Alexa, turn on the fan, turn off the fan, okay? Take it one step further. You can say in the Alexa app, using a routine, you can say at 8 a.m., because you know your kids every day at 8 a.m. get a shower. I want this thing to turn on, the fan, at 8 a.m. and turn off at 9:30 a.m., let's just say, because you really want to make sure you get all that humidity out of your bathroom, all right? You can also buy Alexa buttons, so maybe you just walk in, click a button, and it turns on, just like a switch. You know, it just makes it easier for installation. You can also buy maybe like a humidity sensor from Amazon that connects to the Alexa ecosystem. And you could say, whenever that humidity sensor reaches, you know, 50, whatever the percentage is that you don't want that humidity in your house, have this thing turn on and have it run until it gets back down. So really the features are endless here. The other thing I thought about, I made some notes here, is maybe at nighttime, you know, you can put this on nighttime mode, right? So maybe your kids go to bed, it's in their bathroom and they, you know, maybe they're scared of the dark, or you just want to have a little light. You can put this on like a setting like this, right? It even has like a nighttime setting. Really low, just a little bit of light, just to light up the bathroom, but not keep people awake. So features are really endless, and you can have it do that automatically. So you can say within using a routine, you can say at 8 o'clock, go into nighttime mode until 9 o'clock in the morning or whatever, 6 o'clock in the morning, and then it turns off. So really neat. Installation here should be pretty straightforward, just like any other 12-inch fan. If you have a 12-inch fan, which are really not actually 12 inches, I don't know why they call it a 12-inch fan. A 12-inch fan is actually 10.5 by 9.5. This box just slips in there. They're super lightweight as well, so they're easy to install. The only thing that was a little weird is this has this little cable here, because obviously it has a light on it and has to run the light and all the, you know, smart features, but that's no big deal. You just plug it in. So really, I don't see an issue here. I have it wired up to an outlet just so that I can do the demonstration here. But yeah, I mean, really neat. First I thought like maybe a smart bathroom fan was a little weird, but now that I'm thinking about all the things you can do with this thing to make your life a little bit easier and your house a little bit healthier, because you want that humidity out of there, this thing is pretty smart. I can't wait to install it. I'm out.